You picked question number 7, the lucky 7. So many pageantry in our Filipino-American community, so why did you join the Mrs. Philippines America? Let me repeat the question one more time. Contestant number 11, pick question number 7. So many pageantry in our Filipino community, so why did you pick Mrs. Philippines America?
First of all, I want to say thank you for that question, Erno. And I want to say good evening to each and everyone, especially to our distinguished panel judges. Magandang gabi po. My answer to that question is, I picked Mrs. Philippines America because I saw their charity works in the Philippines. And I want to be part of it. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Coming down, contestant number 10. Another contestant representing